Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to unbox the GoPro Hero 9 Black. Okay, so here is the Hero 9 Black. It says Hyper Smooth 3.0 with 20 megapixel camera and 5K 30 frames per second video footage plus 4K 60 frames per second video footage and 1080p live streaming. It also has a 33 feet drop inside underwater, which is approximately 10 feet. Moreover, here are some more specifications. It also has voice control, 8 times slow-mo, data overlays, time warp 3.0, 1080p live streaming, super photo plus HDR, raw webcam mode, and also touchscreen. And the box already mentions that the micro SD card is required and it is sold separately. So I have one right here. So let's get our hands on this. So let's unbox this thing. So you peel it from below. There's this arrow pointing here. It says to peel. Remove that thing, and we're going to remove that. Then we get this kind of travel pouch they gave. It says GoPro. Now we'll unzip this thing to see what's inside. Let's get rid of this. Okay. And here is what you get. You get some manual cards. Any question, it's answered in this manual. This is a setup card, how you can set up your GoPro. It also has some stickers, so you can keep this aside. Here is a USB-C cable. We got a battery, and I think this is for mounting. I guess this also for mounting. This is a thumb screw, and here is our most awaited thing, the GoPro. You can see it's all covered up nicely for safety. And then you remove this one, and then you can get a free travel case which you can use to put anything that you want. So I also got a rechargeable battery, because for example when you're recording and your battery dies, you can just plug this in and you can start recording again. So why would you stop if you're in an amazing water park or enjoying a thrilling ride? So you can just continue with your next battery. So I got this SanDisk Extreme Pro micro SD XC UHS 1 card. It's with an adapter. It's A2 4K and 128 gigs. Speeds up to 170 mbs reading and 90 MB per second writing. So I got this one. So I'll be putting all the recommended SD cards right on the screen just here. So you can see which all recommended SD cards can be suitable for the GoPro 9, because an SD card is very important if you're using this type of camera. And make sure you get something like 128 gigabytes or 256 gigabytes, because this GoPro can record at 4K and 5K. So you'll be needing you'll be needing more extra storage, because the resolution is too high. So I got this one, the rechargeable battery, as I said, and the SD card, the GoPro, and I also got this adventure kit where it includes a handle to hold the GoPro and also a head strap. So plus quick clip compact case something. So this is essential if you're going in, if you're going underwater, or if you're going in a roller coaster, or if you're going to a water park, or if you're cycling, walking, jogging, or even running, or even doing a vlog. It's really important you need these things, because you're not supposed to hold the GoPro in your hand. What if it sometimes it can fall and it may damage the screen, and also it's not very convenient to hold it in your hand. So I got these mounting straps and handles which is very important. Okay, so let's open this adventure kit. A little difficult to open, but I got it. So this also comes with a kind of travel pack like this. So let's open this thing. It has a nice blue color zip to it. Okay. Oh, there is a cable here, so I'll cut it first. Okay, so I've removed that thing, and now I'm able to open this. Okay, so here's a lifetime warranty card, and we get something like this. I'm not sure what this is. It's all strapped up. I think this is another thumb screw. This one, is it a velcro belt? I guess. And then we have the, I know what this is. This is a handle. This is the handle which you can hold the handle and then go like this. So I think this is another mounting, so cable, some mounting pad. So this has to be the head strap. Yeah. So that's it for this one. I'll see you in the next video where I'll be opening the GoPro and I'll be setting the GoPro up. So see you in my next video, and bye.